Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check on a Canon MAXIFY iB4050. Now you can do this from the printer itself, and first of all we need to go to the control panel on the right here. So just press the screwdriver and plier buttons, and we need to use the arrow keys to move along to where it says maintenance. Now press OK, and it's the very first option that comes up, so we're going to press OK. This will take a moment. But when it's done, it should have printed a nice sheet for us, and we'll take a look at it then. Now, with the nozzle check pattern printed, we can see the colours your printer's capable of producing broken down, so we can see if there's any print quality issues where they lie. Now, this machine's been sat with us for a little bit, and as you can see, bottom of this bar here, so that's just a few little lines. There's a slight issue on the magenta portion of the print head. So from here, we're going to run some head cleans to hopefully pull that through and get us back with a fully operating machine. If you'd like a video on how to do the cleaning procedures, I'm going to make that as well, so you'll find that on our channel. Otherwise, if you found this useful, chuck us a like, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.